How to buy Turbo cryptocurrency on Coinbase wallet. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Click Browser, and then you have three options: Uniswap, SushiSwap, or Blast. Click the first option, Uniswap. Make sure that this is on Ethereum on the top right hand of the screen, and then once you have the Ethereum cryptocurrency token selected, click Select Token and type in Turbo. And it's the first option. You have an option to click Max to swap the max amount of Ethereum to Turbo. As you can see, there will be a rate, a fee, and a network cost, and you can click Show More, and these are the details for the swap of Ethereum cryptocurrency over to Turbo cryptocurrency. If you are happy, then click Confirm Swap. One more message will come just to confirm that you're swapping out one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency or Turbo. This may take a while, so wait for this to load as it's confirming the swap. As you can see, the swap was successful, and now we have Turbo on a Coinbase wallet, or this is how you buy Turbo cryptocurrency from Coinbase Exchange or Coinbase Wallet. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.